Are you looking to transfer the ownership of your vehicle? Here is the process to follow. 1. Transferred RC or Form 29 and 30 with RTO stamp and receipt or notarized sale agreement accompanied by RC in the name of old insured. 2. If the transfer date on RC is over 14 days or has no date mentioned, the vehicle inspection would be required. 3. In case of transfer from corporate to individual with no claim bonus, then corporate consent letter on letterhead with stamp is a must. 4. New owner's name, address, contact number and email ID. 5. Also, nominee name, age and relationship for compulsory personal accident cover are essential. 6. But in case if the customer does not wish to opt for compulsory PA cover, then the existing active PA policy copy with a minimum 15 lakhs sum insured is to be shared. Or declaration stating that the new insured does not have a valid driving license. Once all complete documents are submitted, the registered contact number will receive an inspection link where the customer has to upload photos within 48 hours. Afterwards, the same number will receive a payment link subject to approval by the next day. After making the payment, the customer will receive an endorsement copy within 48 hours. And your Reliance General Insurance ownership transfer is complete. For more information, you can visit our website www.reliancegeneral.co.in or write to us on WhatsApp or email or call us from your registered contact number.